This is a Mei-Dai, which is quite long and dangly, and this is a very popular type of carrier with experienced baby wearers. Love a good Mei-Dai because it gives you the beauty and the softness of a woven wrap, but it's kind of half tied, good to go. So it has the same kind of basic idea as a buckle carrier in that it has a waist and it has shoulder straps, but it has more kind of you can get it a better fit in a lot of cases than you can with a buckle carrier. These are also a really good option for summer because, like a woven wrap, it's kind of 1 or 2 layers of thin cotton. This is a Diva Essenza Mei-Dai. I think, sorry, this colour's actually discontinued. With any carrier, this is the height that you're looking for the carrier to be, from the tailbone to the nape of the neck. So if you look at something like this carrier here, the panel is clearly longer than that measurement. So if we go from here, it's going way past the tailbone. So I'm just going to show you a trick of how to get it to fit right. So with a Mei-Dai, because they're really soft, you can just roll it to the height you need. Do we have some love for Mei-Dais from our people watching?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And so here too, because it's soft and squishy, that's its full panel. You can use the little adjuster here, or you can just squish it. So you can get it to be as big or as little as you want. So if we sit baby there now, you see baby is at the right height, close enough to kiss, and hopefully when I lift it up, it's going to be the right height. I'm just going to put the hood on the inside so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I never really like the hoods. Some people love a good hood. Do you like the hoods? Let us know. I did actually ask that on one of our groups. Should I order Mei-Dais with no hoods? And everyone said, no, they have to have a hood. I was the only one who didn't like the hoods. That's always my first thing with a buckle carrier, to take off the hood and stash it somewhere. Okay, so you'll see on this one, and a lot of Mei-Dais have nice wide straps, so they're quite like, wearing a wrap. So then this comes across the back. I'll endeavour to do this.
That's it, you got it.
Okay, so you can see here that you can put this nice and wide over your shoulders. And then you can actually get that fit perfect by, say, if I look at this here, the blue is closest to my shoulder, so if I want to tighten it closer to my neck, I can pull it on that side if I want to tighten the other side. So the same concept as a woven wrap, you can tighten it right across the width of the wrap. Across, under. If you were skinny, you could tie it at the front, but clearly I'm not, so I'll just tie it at the back. So again, these all fit quite a wide range of sizes, from a really, really tiny size 6 person to a fluffier mum. And then here's how you can just get a really nice fit with your baby. You can spread the weight right across your back. You can do the little tuck so that your baby's tailbone is low. And get that over there. And then you might just, as you get used to using it, you can fiddle around with how wide you like those and making sure that there's plenty of air for your baby there. It's a bit of average tie job, but you'll get the idea.